Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Yesterday, our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade scholars rocked it as they worked hard to prove their answers on their math mock star. Nice job working hard and making sure you took your time to prove your answers. Also today is 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade scholars reading mock star. You're going to do an amazing job. I want to give a big reminder. If you're virtual, you need to keep your cameras on. You need to have a test-ready environment. That means quiet, a place for you to be able to work on your work, and stay focused. Remember, we're not going to give you the testing code until we've allowed enough time for you to work each and every problem out, and then you'll enter your answers on the test code in Elluminate. So scholars, remember, do your best, keep working hard. You guys are all doing amazing. I know today's a special day for me. Today my mother turns 80 years old. I know in the past, some of you have met her when I brought her to school. So I also want you to remember that celebrations are great and we want to celebrate you. So on Thursday, no school on Friday, but on Thursday, we're going to have our Hootie Bowl for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. Be looking for that schedule. And also from 2 to 3 o'clock, everybody, pre-K all the way through 5th grade, we're going to have team and family time. Whether you're virtual or in person, you're going to be able to play some games, do some exciting activities with your teachers. So, scholars, have a great day. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!